Hello everybody, today we are going back in time, downgrading my Mi Box from Android 9 to Android 8. This is a Mi Box 3 model MDZ-16-AB. Since the upgrade to Android 9, I had a lot of problems that I didn't have before, so today we are going back to Android 8. We are going to need a Windows PC, a male-to-male USB cable, 3 files that you'll find in the description, a USB stick and a screen, like a TV or a monitor. Be careful, this procedure will format your Mi Box and you'll lose all your data, apps and logins. So, first thing we have to do is to turn off the box, while still connected to the TV, by disconnecting the power cable. Then we have to press the OK and the back button on the remote and then reconnect the power cable. The box will boot in recovery mode, where we will have to press reboot to bootloader through our remote. At this point, the box will reboot and we'll see the Mi logo on screen. Let's now go to the computer and open the M-Logic USB burning tool. We have to check that we are in normal erase and we have to deselect the erase bootloader. Then we have to press File, Import Image, selecting the .img file that we downloaded, and in the end press Start. We will now need to connect the Mi Box to the PC with the USB male-to-male cable, reboot, as we've done before, with the OK and back button pressed on the remote, and at this point we will see a bar advancing in the program. It'll take some time, but when it's finished we will see a success message in the lower part of the tool. Now we need to turn off the box and then unzip the last file to a USB stick, and we must have the 2 files in the root of the pen drive. Lastly, we are going to connect the USB drive to the Mi Box, press the OK and back button on the remote and reconnect the power. The update procedure will start. It'll be automatic. The box will reboot a couple of times, but in the end, you will have your Mi Box back to Android 8 with less bugs and problems. I hope you found this video useful. I invite you to leave a like and a comment if you have any problem or if I was helpful to you. I will see you next week. I'm Leo and, as always, remember to keep things alive.